To do a grand food show presentation out here at the Dallas Library. We are getting ready to do a healthy cooking presentation about salmon, shrimp, chicken. So I'm just going to hook up something that's very healthy for you and you can enjoy this presentation. It's going to be awesome. So stay tuned. We're going to be with you in just a minute.
You other chefs and ready to partake. Sir Robinson in the kitchen whipping up hot plates. Hot plates. Hot plates. Hot plates.
Hello, I'm Chef Robinson. We're doing another food show today for Parkland Heart Health, and it's a awesome presentation food show today. This is going to be a presentation. Thank you for tuning in on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. So today I'm going to lay out some nice, wonderful, healthy cooking, some healthy dishes today. I'm going to introduce my spices to you today, and also I have a healthy, nice cream sauce that we're going to be cooking with today. A few pasta dishes I'm going to throw together, and some nice salmon. This salmon fillet is I'm going to cook up. It's already seasoned. It's been seasoned with good herbs and spices in it. I have a nice, wonderful rosemary that I'm going to cook with today. On top of my salmon, I have some nice catfish fillet. I'm going to be cooking up with that. That's going to be nice on my dish. And today, I'm not going to follow any recipe. I'm just going to randomly cooking, putting some dishes together. Today, I have on my cooking arena is some nice chicken breast, good, seasoned with Chef Robinson spice, Chef Robinson seasoning. Also, we have some wonderful mushrooms up here, and we have some bell peppers, tomatoes, and some shrimp. I want to throw together some shrimp today. That's going to be awesome too when I put together my dishes. Now, originally this is not my container, but this is my spice. This is something that I make at home, my own seasonings and spices. This will be on the market real soon. I'm putting everything together right now as we speak. Okay, my own spices and seasonings. Okay, I have my butane stoves. I'm going to go ahead and crank up one. I'm going to make that nice and hot. Use some good vegetable oil on my presentation. Put it in the pan. Just lay that out. Let that get nice and hot. Let's see how we're looking on this stove over here. Put that to the side, make sure it's nice and hot. Just kind of let that warm up a little bit, if you will. Now I'm going to check my flat stove. This is what I call my flat grill. I want to make sure this is nice and hot. That is wonderful right there. That is good for cooking. Now I'm going to take me some of that good olive oil. I'm going to put this on top. Notice that I'm not going to take the skin off the salmon. I'm going to show you how you can take the skin off the salmon without using a knife. So I'm going to take me some olive oil, put it right on top of my flat grill. Just like that. Not much. Let that cook real good. Okay, got my two arenas getting hot, two stoves getting hot. Pay attention to that. Listen to the sizzling that's coming off the pans. That's going to be cooking up real good for me. I'm going to take some of Chef Robinson seasonings and spices. Put that on top of my salmon, on top of the catfish. Put that at the bottom. Now, as you can see, how the salmon is never frozen, freshly cooked. I mean, freshly, not frozen, always healthy, always ready to go. So I'm going to take this side here, the skin side. This is what we call the belly side. I'm going to leave that just like that. Now I'm going to take the belly side of the salmon on the bottom, which is the skin side. I'm going to put this right on top. Just let that cook, just like that. I'm gonna take me some herbs. I got some good, wonderful herbs, which is rosemary. I'm gonna take the rosemary herbs and put that on top. Kind of let that fuse together. Put that inside of the salmon. Okay, we're gonna be cooking up today. We got some sage. I have some parsley I'm gonna put with that. Put all that on top of the salmon. Salmon is good for you. It's very healthy. It's a vitamin A, vitamin D. It's good for your, it's a very, very fatty fish, but it's very good for you as far as being lean. So I gotta pay attention to that. Now, my stove is real nice and hot. Kind of a little bit too hot than what I wanted. But that's gonna be cooking up. Just kind of slow this down, take this off the stove. Turn it off right here. Just put those to the side. Now I'm gonna take me some, some of this rosemary that we have and move this over to the fusion stove. So I'm gonna go all the way down to my fusion stove because we're gonna fuse the catfish, and we're gonna go ahead and turn this on. What I have in here is just a bottle of water. This is what I call fusion, to put everything together like oranges, lemons, tomatoes, bell peppers, stuff like that in my fusion. This is what a steamer. So I'm gonna put me some rosemary inside here, just like that. Let that fuse together, let that get real nice and hot. Turn my heat down just a tad. On the medium heat, I'm gonna put my top deck over there, just like that. It's gonna fuse together. This is gonna be a nice fusion to put everything together. Have some rosemary sauce. I'm gonna cook that with a nice dish. But the first one, I have to pay attention to my salmon that's going real well over here. Put the herbs all on the side here, make sure that's nice and hot. I'm gonna cut this salmon down here in just a little bit. You see how this is gonna be cooking up real well for me. So I'm gonna set that and just leave that alone. Let that do what it's gonna do. Now I'm gonna take me some mushrooms. I'm gonna take the mushrooms and I'm gonna just kind of like saute the mushrooms together. I'm gonna go ahead and mix up everything together here. Okay, move my mushrooms down. I'm just gonna saute some mushrooms up. Place these right in the pan with the mushrooms. This is either gonna be for the chicken or it's gonna be for the salmon. I'm just gonna saute the mushrooms up first. Give it a toss, toss, toss. Now I'm gonna take this some tomatoes. Put those in there also. Take some fresh parsley. Mix that in there with the mushroom. Turn my heat down just a tad. Turn my heat down. Let it cook real nice and slow. Just like that. Now, I'm going to take these take the tongs, and I'm going to take me some tomatoes. Let's take a few tomatoes and put those in the pan. Let that saute. Take some of the Chef Robinson spice. Put that in the pan. Let that cook. Just like that. Okay, now we go with this stove on this side. Everything is going to be real nice, cooked very well. I mean, cooked very evenly. So, now, as you can see how the salmon is looking, you can see how the skin is coming off. The skin is cooking itself off right now. So I'm going to pick this up in the center. I'm going to take the salmon with the skin off, place it down with the herbs on the bottom, and let this continue to cook just like that. As the skin is coming off, I don't have to use a knife or anything. Put it on the side of that, on the other side of that salmon. Take me some more of that good seasoning. We have to put it on the side here. By the time this presentation is over with, if you'd like to try it, come up and get a taste of that salmon. That's gonna be real well. Now, let me go with let's turn this down here just a tad. Now let's go with some, let's go with the chicken. Let's go with the chicken over here. I'm gonna put some in this bowl. This is gonna be a nice, good, warm chicken pasta. So I'm gonna let that saute. Let me see how we're looking on this stove here. Let's see here. That's looking good. All right, now Let's go with the chicken. I'm gonna take me some of the pasta. This is the herb cream sauce, pasta with a little bit of lemon juice. So I'm just gonna toss this up. See, the Bible said we're not to be tossed to and fro with any wind of sound doctrine. So I want to be still. The Bible says, be still and let the salvation of the Lord, that you will know him. So I got to be still in my walk. I have to hear his voice. So I'm going to let this pasta cook and be still. So I'm going to toss that up a little bit. Just like that. Okay. Now we know that this world is in a torment. Things are going on in our world. A lot of things are happening. So we have to focus on our dreams, focus on our goals, on whatever we want in life. Because no one else is going to give it to you. You have to have it within yourself to know what you want to be in life. There's a lot of things going on. We watch the news every day. There's things that we see, it's things that we don't see, what's going on in our world. But we have to focus on our tunnel vision of what's going on, how we getting everything. The blessings that's coming down from the Father of lights. God has given us these blessings that we encounter every day. So, you know what? I don't take life for granted no more because of me having a quadruple bisurgery. When I was out, I saw some things. It wasn't scary things, but God elevated me to come back to tell you all about life. So even in our cooking, when we take in every day, we have to be accounted of that too. Because we eat wrong things, we're going to get wrong results. We eat good things, we're going to get good results. So it's all in a matter of healthy eating. So, okay, let's go back to this cooking. I'm going to toss this up. I'm going to take some of that basil cream sauce. Got 1, 2, 3. Let's go 4 ounces. 4 ounces of salt. Let that cook up real nice. Let me check the salmon. I'm going to use the touch method. This is what I want to use, the touch method on the salmon. To let me know if it's done, if it's nice and firm. We're using the touch method. It tells me that it has another good 2 minutes on this salmon. I'm going to turn it over again. This is what, see, my topic today, you are what you eat. Now I'm going to put this fish in my body. I'm going to eat some pork. I'm going to eat something bad or I'm going to eat something good. So I'm going to put this fish in my body, so I have to watch. The Bible said, but even going back what the doctor said, that now I have to eat something healthy that's going into my body. So I'm going to take the salmon, I'm going to watch it before I put it in my body. So I'm going to watch what I'm going to put in it. I'm going to take this salmon now, I'm going to turn it back over. That's what I'm looking for right there. Move it up to the front. Take me some of that olive oil and put that right around there, just like that. Now, I'm going to take the pasta dish now. Over here. Our first plate presentation. Toss this up. Here we go with the first dish. I'm going to land this right in the center. Just like that. Wow, look at that. Now, move that to the front. Take me some good old sage. Let's go with some parsley. Put my good parsley right in the center. Just like that. Take my rosemary leaf. Garnish. Making everything fresh. Looking good. Put that right in the center, just like that. Take me tomato. Let's go with tomato. I want to take me a nice garnish. Put it over to the top. Finish off my product because I want to present this plate for healthy eating, not just a throw together plate. So now I want to use a good, nice plate presentation. I'm going to take this tomato crown. Let's put it right in the center, over to the side, just like that. This is my finished plate for this presentation. How about that? Y'all like that?
Oh, baby, so please get our chef way for the study in the bowl, just like you make a cake. You are the chefs and ready to partake. So Robinson in the kitchen whipping up hot plates. Hot plates. Hot plates.